I'm discussing sixth standard mathematics. In previous two videos, we saw perimeter of rectangle, square, and triangle and Matha Pachchi. In this video, I will discuss 3s S plus D formula. S plus D formula. What is this and how we figure out this formula? See, take a rough sheet of paper or sheet of newspaper. Make a few random shapes by cutting the paper in different ways. Estimate the total length of boundaries of each shape. Then use scale or measuring tape to measure and verify the perimeter for each shape. Yes, try this activity. Now, come to this. Akshi says that the perimeter of this triangle shape is 9 units. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. So she says it can't be 9 units and the perimeter will be more than 9 units. What do you think? Perimeter, we know that perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides. Therefore, this is 9 unit right answer. Now, this figure has lines of two different unit lengths. Example, see here. This is one color, this is another color. Measure the length of red line and the blue lines. Here, red lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Red lines are 6. That means 6 red lines. Red lines plus now blue lines 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Or else 1, 2, 3. 3 blue lines. Now measure the length of red line and blue line. That means 9 plus 3. Are they same? We will call the red lines straight line and the blue lines diagonal lines. Straight line, diagonal lines. Perimeter of this triangle is 6 straight lines, 3 diagonal units. 3 diagonal units. We can write this in a short form as 6x plus 3d units. Now, write the perimeter of the figures below in terms of a straight and diagonal ends. The given activity for this, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6s plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4d. 6x plus 4d. Now take this straight lines. 1, that means 0. 1, 2, 3, star. Make it star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6s. 1, 2, 3. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also same 4D. Try this and comment your answer in comment box. This much for in this video. In the next video, I will discuss perimeter of a regular polygon. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.